to do telekinesis in 7 days. Today is gonna be the first day where we actually gonna attempt doing telekinesis. So I need you to be very careful and very aware of all the sensation which is going through your body and through your brain. I'm gonna try to break down all of them as precise as possible. It doesn't matter what kind of object you're using. For today, let's just do this tissue. It's just a tissue. I have no connection to it whatsoever. Anyways, I'm going to try to push this tissue away from me. As you can see, I can't blow it away. See? So there's no air going around here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do telekinesis, okay? And I'm gonna try to explain to you what is going on through my body, okay? And also my mind, of course. So, reaching out my hand, I'm trying to focus on nothing. Just like on the meditation, I try to think of nothing. I don't move or nothing. I just try to empty my mind, clear my mind, okay? Nothing. Okay, now I got distracted. I was thinking about my next paycheck. When am I gonna get paid again? Because I need to fix my vacuum cleaner. That's gonna cost me money. I need this vacuum cleaner to keep my house clean. I told you how important it is to keep your house clean, remember? So that just distracted me. So I have to start over. I tried to clear my mind because I know I'm gonna get this vacuum cleaner fixed. One day it's gonna be fixed. It's gonna be okay. And I have to believe it's gonna be okay. Don't stress yourself out. It's gonna be okay. So I'm going to start over. I breathe, make sure my brain has enough oxygen. Okay. It's hard, I'll have to explain, but I had complete emptiness in my head. That helped. And I could feel a tingle in my fingers. So the telekinesis comes out of my fingers, through my brain, into my arm, into my fingers. Okay, I got distracted again, because sitting like this is a little uncomfortable for my feet. So I have to sit differently. That's better. So now I'm gonna start over. I make sure my entire body is relaxed. Okay, it's relaxed. I don't feel any pain physically or mentally. And now I'm trying again. I focus on nothing. And then when I achieve complete emptiness in my head, then all I see is the object I want to move. And then I can just determine in which direction I want to move it to. I'm going to do it now. Be patient. Remember, be patient. That's it. For everybody who's trying that throughout the day, please come back and tell me in the comments if you succeeded or if you have not. Tell us about your experience. If it was good or bad, share your experience. It's going to benefit everybody because we are a community. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. See you tomorrow. There's 2 more important lessons to learn. Have a good day.